This is not a magic trick. This is a real small experiment. Suck a few magnets on the bottom of the battery. Put a copper coil on the positive pole. This is the secret of electric fan rotation. Take a water bottle. Poke a few small holes with a nail. Fill the bottle with water and twist the cap. You'll have a miniature fountain. Mix the glue and toner together. Get close to a magnet. You'll have a magical dark substance like venom. Soak an egg in white vinegar. Wait for bubbles to grow on the surface of the egg. The egg becomes a stretchy egg. Pour the baking soda into the pot. Pour in some white vinegar and water and heat it up. A miraculous scene happened. Take a chopstick and point the water to freeze instantly. Point water into ice, as if it has magical power. Cut the paper into a spiral shape. Hang it on a wooden stick. Put a lighted candle underneath. The paper spirals up. Put the iron needle close to the magnet. Take the candle and heat it up a bit. The magnetic force suddenly disappears. Put a ping pong ball in the mouth of the bottle filled with water. Turn the bottle upside down. Surprisingly, the ping pong ball does not fall. Rub the comb on the balloon a few times, close to the water flow. The water flow becomes bent. Did you learn? Click on the avatar to learn more small experiments.